Hey guys, it's Ronnie with Great Choice, and today we are starting that Samsung Terrace that I showed you in our office. So let's shoot you around and I'll show you the back of the TV while we have it open and everything so you can see that. Alright, so let's see. So we have all our HDMIs, our USB 5 volts, HD base T for, let's say, a long range transmit Balun from inside. You got digital output, you got HDMI 1, you got enhanced eARC through it, your LAN port, audio out, and then the EX link. And then you have your antenna along with power actually being inside this same compartment. And they give you all these little tabs that you can pull out to run all your wires in, which is really cool, to help keep it waterproof. So when you put the panel on, they all come out nice and neat down here at the bottom. I'll let Kyler get back to plugging in the HDMIs, and I'll show you where we're going to go put the TV. So we'll take a yonder out here. Let's go out here. So in this area, they already had some screens put in, so it's all nice and screened in, little shaded area for us to work. We're back at it. So here I'm telling you, this is where our TV is going to be. It is right here on this wall. So we'll have our electrician, we'll have him move up our plug, and the Wi-Fi is pretty good out here, so we will be using a Sonos beam underneath of the TV for the audio, and that way they can link that audio to the pair of speakers they already have in here that will have a port hooked up to the amplifier inside with, so they can play the music. And I believe they have another zone over there too, so that way they can have the audio from that TV everywhere, and they can use any of the smart hub features. They stream a lot of things. They're on YouTube TV, Netflix, and so on and so forth. So stay tuned, and I'll come show you some more once we get the TV bracket going, and we'll see you soon. All right, guys, so we got the bracket on the wall out here. We're just waiting for the electrician to come in and put his plug in. So let me just show you, kind of explain how we like to hang our TVs here at Great Choice. So what we like to do is, see the brackets on the wall. I've seen a lot of people actually just hang the bracket on the wall and then hang their TV and go, oh, it's too high or too low from what I really wanted. So what we like to do is always put it on the back of the TV. Either you can do it standing up, lay it down. That way you can tell where the bottom of the TV is from the bottom of your bracket, or even the top of your bracket to the top of the TV. That way, if you're picking, let's say, going off the top of the TV, you can go measure down to the top of your bracket, place your bracket at that point. So that way it's always in the same spot you want it. Never do you want to just hang the bracket and hope that that's where you want it. So remember, always measure. It'll be easier than redoing it again. So with that being said, we'll let the electrician get out here, get done, and we'll show you some more once we get the TV set up. This TV actually has Smart Hub built in through it, so no Roku or Apple TV out here on this TV, no cable box, so it's all through the TV. Stay tuned and we'll show you more. Alright guys, after Josh, our electrician, made a big old mess with, knocking out a brick to put in our plug, we have our outdoor GFI protected plug. We're ready to hang our TV. So I'm gonna go inside, get the TV, and we'll put it up, and we'll keep showing you more as we get it going. Alright guys, so we made fast work of putting the TV up. Now I have Kyler out here plugging in the sound bar. We are doing that Sonos beam as I told you about with the Sanus bracket that allows you to push it up flush with the bottom of the TV. Gonna look really clean out here. As we get things done, I'll flip around and kind of show you how the TV looks. It is quite a bit thicker than some of the other brands we've done for outdoor TVs, but it does have a smart hub in it. It is super bright comparison to the Sierra that we've done before, in my opinion. And like I said, the cool feature, all the smart hub features are built into it like any Samsung TV that you could get. So we don't need to do a Roku or anything on the TV, but remember, I'll show you a little bit on the setup. stay tuned. We'll keep showing you more. All right, guys. So as we take a look, you can see how bright this TV is out here. I know it kind of looks a little weird probably on the screen when I step way back here, but physically when I'm sitting back here, it looks really good. It's very crisp, very bright. It should be a great outdoor TV for this area, even with it a little shaded. Let's say the sun's coming from that direction, they should still be able to see this TV. As you can see, we're sitting all the way across the other side of the table, and it's very clear, bright image. You can see the colors very well. Very impressed with this TV. You can see Baywatch is an older television show, and you can see how clear it is on this TV. So when you look at this, you know, the thickness of the TV, it's pretty thick. And got all our wires sitting behind the TV, our bracket. It's a flat tilt bracket, and we have our Sonos Arc right here. They do have front display buttons on the front, as we've always, you know, kind of showed you with the Arcs. So you can kind of see little touch buttons up there. They aren't covered completely with the TV, so they are functional if you wanted to come out here, use that without your phone. But most of the time you're going to use your phone. And you can also use the Samsung remote. I really like the silver Samsung remote that they released with this TV here. Let me see if I can scan down on the table. So, pretty nice little remote here. And it's Bluetooth pairable. And this remote opens different than your normal usual remote you'd get for your indoor TV, because they want to try to keep the batteries waterproof, protected behind there. So, and as I was saying earlier, this TV has all the Smart Hub menus on it, so you can go through here, watch Netflix, Prime Video, and it's all going to be great for you. I mean, there's all kinds of stuff through the Samsung Smart Hub that you can just watch for free. Plus, you got all your apps built into the TV. You have multiple HDMI inputs that you can use. And it's true outdoor TV. It's really bright, so you can be able to see out here at full day. Now, Samsung does make another model. This is the Shade Series model. They do make one that is for full sun out there. It would be really cool to put one out there by the pool. You watch it from there. We'll also have one over here too. That's the option for that one. Y'all remember to like and subscribe down below. If there's any content you think you guys want to see, comment down below, or else we'll just keep making what we're doing. And if you like the content we're doing, let us know down below as well. We'll see you next time, guys. Have a great choice day.